Kajang, IPG Dragons.
I'm Chiju from IPG Dragons.
Okay, who are IPG Dragons?
We're a corporate team sponsored by Interpublic Group.
Interpublic, the big advertising conglomerate?
Yes.
Yep.
Wow, what do you think of that? That's pretty darn good.
Yeah.
So, how you guys doing?
We're doing good. We just finished our 500 mixed heritage, and it was announced that we finished first, so we're advancing.
We won by 400th of a second.
Yeah, very cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It was a photo finish, 400th of a second.
So what happens next?
So we're going into the second round, right?
Yeah. In about 3 hours.
So how many rounds are there? Do you know what happens here? A couple hundred, maybe?
I don't know for the 500 mixed heritage how many heats there are.
So we have over 210 teams, I believe.
Yeah.
So this is pretty exciting. Is this the first year you guys have been in?
This is the first year that we've advanced in the 500. This is our 4th year as a company.
Yeah, it's our 3rd year.
So when you say the 500, there's different lengths?
Yeah, so this morning we did the 250 meter, which we finished second in, unfortunately, so we didn't get to advance, but this is the 500 meters, so it's longer, a lot more endurance. Yeah, the team that needs to be more in sync.
Yeah.
Is there is that the two lengths that they have for this?
I believe so. I don't know about the invitationals. They're the semi-professional team.
Yeah, that's slightly different, but those are the two distances that we're participating in.
How long did you train for this?
About 2 months.
Yeah, we've been doing every weekend for about 2 months now. Those of us who have been doing it for years now, we've done it every year. We practice with other teams.
So you must feel pretty darn good about yourself.
Yeah, we feel great.
Absolutely, we're proud of our team.
Great, congratulations to you both.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you.
Thank you.